Kum Shi Bynta Jingpynkreh iaka 6 Meghalaya Games arjar arpasan kabanong West Jaiñtia Hills. Hynne Deputy Commissioner West Jaiñtia Hills B.S.Sohliya Lum Jingialang kiba mihkhmat naki tnat treikam sorkar jaka pule nongialam shnong bagi dkhot Meghalaya State Olympic Association kumjuh kiba mihkhmat naka tnat sports sorkar Jylla bat kiwei. Haka Jinggialang bala pelong conference hall katanat Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Jowai ukrubuk basa Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs ubalongru District Sports Officer West Jaiñtia Hills ulapin sngo jaka bala jet na kabentaban pynlong Meghalaya Games haki Jingele akai beper. Hadin belakut Jinggialang na kaliang DC ulai thu balingba kani Jingge kendo klaimer jingmut benyak bah halor kumnu ban pynlong Meghalaya Games kebajob bat kebayat renti. Pada kajuk ke poru ban pen ka nam ka burom jang ke imlang salang kumjuh ka riti ka dustur bat Haka kam jungokai. Napok Meghalaya State Olympic Association la donlang working president uba John F. Karshing, General Secretary UFL Pariat nang tau Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs upaya biwar nongbri.
Accommodation area. One will be in the northern side and the other will be in the south. Just now we got the news that it will be held at APS, not at Kenamba Indoor Sports Hall. That means here in Kenamba Indoor Stadium only. So also includes playground and arm wrestling will be held at Shillong SSC Upper Primary School.
So we had this meeting today in preparation for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 that's going to be held here in Jowai next year. All of us, like from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, working president, general secretary here, the state sports department, assistant directors here, we all discussed in depth with the line departments and representatives of the different localities and different stakeholders to ensure that the games are going to be held successfully and in a seamless and very showcasing every aspect of the cultural aspect, of the touristy aspect, of the district aspect.